My name is George Washington Kamakawiwo'ole. My friends call me Festus, because he's my. My name is Israel Kamakawiwo'ole. My middle name is Ka'anoi. You know, right before when you smoke your time, you're gonna go sleep. And then your mother come over there on the side of the bed, lie down next to you. She starts singing. I remember one song when I was small, Mom used to sing this song to me. I used to go, I'm in love with you, honey. Say you love me too, honey. Love you from the start, honey. It's funny, but it's true. You know, that song went from my mom's mom to my mom to me to my daughter. You know what I mean? It's going from there and going on. Same thing with Hawaiian music, the same thing.